This is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo, and today's session is quick and simple, but I really want to make sure you guys understand this. Today's session is flipping or wholesaling homes with little or no equity. Now listen up, guys, listen up. You can make money wholesaling homes with little or no equity, okay? Now you ask me, who can you sell these properties to? Watch my previous videos, but I'll go ahead and give you a crash course right now. Two types of people. Number one, investors that want to buy properties subject to or wraps. And two, retail buyers that don't have credit or cannot get a loan from the bank. These individuals would love to buy properties with little or no equity. The next question you might have is, how much money am I going to make, Mike, by selling property that have little or no equity? That's a very good question. Well, guess what, guys? You're not going to make a lot of money selling homes with little or no equity, but you can range anywhere from $1,500 to about $15,000 to $20,000, depends on the deal. Okay, so again, $1,500 to about $15,000 to $20,000, depends on the deal. On an average, I would say you should be happy with pulling $3,000 to $5,000 flipping homes that have little to no equity to investors or retail buyers that can get a loan. So there's no excuses for throwing away those leads. Every lead costs you money, costs you time. So what you need to do is watch my videos, learn how to monetize from every transaction, learn how to be a superhero batter, so when you have 10 leads come to you, you're able to monetize on 9 of those leads, guys, 9 of those leads. Therefore, you can have financial freedom and do what you love instead of the hustle and the bustle. Hey gang, please subscribe or like or leave a comment. It really motivates me to go out there and make more videos for you guys, as I do this for free. I do this out of love. I want to help you reach your goals. This is America. You can do it. So please subscribe, like, or share my videos. This is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo gang, and I'll talk to you later.